Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to veto trade in Sleeper app. The question is, can you veto trade? So, Sleeper leagues are optimized for friends and people who know each other or strangers that share a common interest. So, they allow the commissioners to make the decision around cancelling trades, but they also support an option for league mates to veto. In the past, commissioners would have needed to put up a poll for a specific trade, and if it passes a certain amount, the commissioner manually cancel it. Now they do the work for you. Once a trade is accepted by all parties, users will see voting prompt under that specific trade, like this. It will show you how much time is remaining, who voted for which option, and how many more votes are needed for the veto to happen. The commissioner still has ultimate control and can choose to veto or pass any trade at any time. So you cannot do it, but the commissioner can. So that was the simple answer to your question. Hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.